I didn't get it all the way under, but with the doorway being over here, I don't think you will step on it. Dig it down just a little bit. That's pretty level right there.
So you think that corner over there is too high?
Mm-hmm. About 4 inches too high. See how we up off of a block of wood? Yep.
Yeah, that piece of wood right there will keep our wood stove from falling off the back. Two coats, at least.
Mm-hmm.
Famished, how about you?
Pretty much.
We got us a freaking pallet wood floor to camp. We're gonna have an awesome shelter out here this winter. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna put another coat of paint on that thing, and then we're gonna work on the frame a little bit. Get some flame on them pork chops, baby.
Mm.
Got some of Floyd's sugar-free barbecue sauce. G. Hughes.
What do you call that? The equal hillbilly style?
Hillbilly style, yes sir.
Gotta eat your mashed potatoes and chopsticks. Yeah.
Idaho and roasted garlic. Get that napkin.
Need none?
Nah. That water's hot. That shit'll they'll get thick. As they cool down, they'll get thicker.
Y'all eat that very much?
We just got a bunch of these, like prepping wise, in case, just in case, you know. But I take them camping a lot. Look at that, boy. Dang, mashed potatoes, quick. That's good sauce, boy. Home sweet home. This is still temporary. We're still working on it. But we got the floor painted, 2 coats to protect it from the weather. We're always going to leave a tarp up down here. So this is kind of the idea that we're going with. We got to refine it. Floyd's the architect, man.